Hi everyone, welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. This is something completely different, so you didn't land on the wrong channel. That's right, I am actually doing an exercise video, believe it or not. For those of you who have been following me for a while, many of you know that I started my weight loss journey on Weight Watchers a year ago, and I have lost 70 pounds. I have been struggling, I must say, probably since August with really staying around the same weight. And so I really kind of wanted to push things into gear because I'd like to lose at least another 30 pounds. And I was really excited when this company called YESOUL Fitness reached out to me and they asked me if I would do a review of their spin bike. So that is what you see right here, the YESOUL Fitness spin bike. So this is similar to a Peloton bike. However, the cost is quite a bit less than a Peloton because if you know me and my channel, I'm into budget friendly. I certainly can't afford a Peloton, but I love the idea of a Peloton, and so this is a great alternative. All right, so I'll just go over some of the details with you. Remember, expand the description box below. I'll have a link there so you can hop on over to the YESOUL website if you are interested and in the market for a spin bike like a Peloton. You can hop over there. I have a discount code, BETH100. That's gonna give you $100 off. Now, the bike that you see here is currently on sale for $499, normally an $899 bike. So $499 plus you get that $100 off with code BETH100. So that's gonna give it to you for $399. Now they do have a membership subscription, which is an app, and they have fitness classes in there and all different things. I believe that that membership starts at $12.99 a month. So again, similar to Peloton, I believe that Peloton's a full membership right now, full subscription is $44 a month. So again, it's quite a savings. However, you do not have to download the app and you do not have to buy that monthly membership because they have a cord that comes with it so you can screen mirror right on your phone. You can watch your favorite fitness YouTuber putting it up on your screen here that comes with your spin bike from YESOUL. So it's pretty cool, and I'm gonna show you all of those features. So let's just take a look at the whole bike here. So this is the spin bike, that's the spin portion. And these are the foot pedals, and you can adjust your foot pedals here when you put your foot in. So any tennis shoes, you don't have to have certain kind of biking shoes. There is a power cord here, so you just plug that into the wall. And then this is your screen here. Now you just go ahead and turn this on because it is plugged in. So there's a little button in the back. And right away, it's gonna come on your audio mode so you can get on your bike and you can start riding right away. It's gonna track your RPMs, it's gonna track your calories. This is gonna be the resistance. So just wanna show you a couple other screen features. It is like adjustable. You can kind of turn it up or down, or you can like turn it. So let's say that you got done doing your bike exercise, but you wanted to watch a yoga video or something like that. So that is a really nice feature. So you don't have to unplug it from the wall. You can actually just hold the button on the back, the power button, and just hold it in for about 10 seconds and then it will just power off for you. This is the dial for resistance. So you turn it to the right and that's gonna increase it like you're going up a hill, and then all the way to the left would be the easiest, no incline. Now things are adjustable here. The seat is adjustable as far as you can slide it forward or back, and you can also change the height here. You can just kind of unscrew and pull those out. And again, same here with your handlebars here, your handlebar height. There is the little pulley right here, which you can see here the different height levels. So you can lower that or you can raise it all the way. I also wanted to mention that it does have rollers on the front, so you can kind of tilt the bike up to roll it around. Now for me, I have it in the carpeting in my living room right now, so it doesn't roll around super easily. But I think if you had it like on a basement floor or a hardwood floor, you'd be just fine. When you get your bike, mine came in one box. The box was about 90 pounds. So you would need 2 people to lift that. Just to let you know, my husband put it together, but you can just scan this little QR code. I'm going to show you here. So if you scan here, this QR code, that will bring you to a video on how to set the bike up. So that's really helpful. You can also scan that QR code to go ahead and download the app if that's what you want to do. Again, you don't need the app to ride the bike. Now up here, this is actually your water bottle holders, but I just put my little dumbbells here, my little free weights there. All right, so I just want to go ahead and show you without having the app, just how the screen starts when I start riding. All right, so can you see my RPMs? And then I'm at 16% on the incline there. And then you see that it's telling me the calories. So let's turn up the incline a little bit. And again, I'm just turning that dial that I showed you before. So there I have the incline at 43. You can hear how quiet this is. We can turn that intensity back down. So the next thing that I want to show you is how you can screen mirror, because this is really cool. So they actually give you your cord for your iPhone so that you can screen mirror with your iPhone. But guess what? If you have an Android, they also give you a cord so that you can screen mirror with your Android. So you just put the one end on the back of the monitor and the other end in your phone. So I'm going to show you that feature right now. Okay, so let me show you this. I'm just using that connector. I'm just going to connect my iPad here. And now watch the screen. All right, so I found this YouTuber and she has the workouts on there. So it's free to watch it on YouTube. So we can go ahead and put one on. And let me just skip the ad. Let's go to the beginning here. Let's make it full screen and we're gonna press play. Okay, so this is the button that you wanna make sure is on audio mode. You either have Bluetooth mode or audio mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so that's if you want to just connect wirelessly via Bluetooth, or we can go audio mode. So that's what we want, and then we can go ahead and get started on playing our video. So I just want to show you that up here in the screen, it still keeps like your stats up there. So you know like how long you've been riding and your incline and so forth. But let me just show you. So we have our screen mirroring. I have the cord plugged in. So I'm just gonna press play here on my iPad.
Do this. All right, so we are gonna start out
and then the volume, you can hear, we can turn it up. We can also like adjust the screen.
You always want to make sure that you have some resistance under your feet. And now these numbers I'm going to call out between, I always call it between 5 and 10, so you can imagine 10 is the heaviest that we will go. We will not go there today though, so you'll have to check out another video so you can experience 10. So today we're just going to go in between 5 and 9. Right now, if you do have a computer on your bike, you can follow RPMs. If that shows that to you,
which
I will call those out.
Here.
If not, you can catch the beat or just try to follow my leg. But again, listen to your body, and if you need to slow down or take some resistance off, make sure to do so. But right now, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we're gonna get ready to pick up our speed at this 5. But we're gonna talk about form. Again, so important. Keep your head up and your shoulders down away from your ears. Engage your core, and you can think about belly button.
All right.
But we're gonna get ready for our first speed increase.
Oh, speed increase.
Pick it up just a little bit. Just a little bit here. Even if you go 5 RPM, 10, whatever you have right now.
Okay.
And breathing.
I mean, it's so quiet. You guys don't even think I'm doing anything, do you? I am. See?
Almost there.
I really like this though.
3, 2, 1. Slow it back.
Okay,
Slow it back.
but I really like
1.
this
Turn
because
it
it's quiet
to your sit.
and
So again, this is just a little bit.
we can like be on the bike
What you think about
and
you
do
have
some of your
the 5 is the base
arm
of that hill.
weights.
It's a
So I
flat
like
road.
that too. Like if
Again,
you're kind
a
of
little bit resistance.
cooling down, but maybe you want to
A little
add some of the
heavier. 7
resistance.
is mid-hill.
with your arms.
We gotta pick it up. Come on, right there.
She's a killer.
Last push, 30
She's a
seconds.
killer.
Again, just above the beat is where we are pedaling.
Just above the beat, you guys.
Heart rate is coming up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow it back here. Back to the beat. 1, 2, 1, 2. And again.
I mean, seriously, how cool is this? I'm like really excited about this because it's Minnesota. It's dark outside. 4:30, it's getting dark. 5 o'clock, it's pitch dark. So I can't do walks when I get home from work, you know, outside, and it's cold. So it's gonna be cold until, I don't know, April. So this is like perfect. I feel like this is gonna get me over that hump that I've been trying to get past, so that I can drop a little more weight. And we all know around the holidays that's hard, right? It's like Thanksgiving. Well, no, it started with, let's see, what did we start with? Oh, it started with my niece's wedding. And then we had Halloween, and then we had Thanksgiving, and now, as you can see, Christmas is right on our doorstep, and New Year's Eve, and parties and celebrations and potlucks at work. I had a chamber banquet recently. So I need to like incorporate the exercise now because I haven't been able to be active outside. And my daughter and I were doing a lot of hiking and stuff this summer in the park, at our regional park, which was really nice. But I can't get out there now. So I'm really excited to have this bike. I'm still pedaling, you guys. So yeah, that's why I'm out of breath. But I'm excited that I can just, you know, watch somebody like this to motivate me on YouTube and get my workout in, and it's fun. Who would have ever thought that I would say a workout was fun? Another thing that I wanted to let you know is the maximum weight capacity on the bike is 265 pounds and the maximum height is 6'4". So those should be things that you should know. Again, I'm 5'3.5" and I am under that weight limit, thankfully. Thankfully, after a year on Weight Watchers. So I want to keep going, and I am super excited that YESOUL reached out to me to partner with me to do this video for you, because I'm just really excited about this, and I think that this is going to help me kind of get things moving in my weight loss again, and building up my endurance, building up my strength, so that I can keep up with my grandkid, keep up with all of my work and my daily activities. So I'm super excited about this. If you guys are interested too, I will reach out and kind of pop back in here and there, let you know how it's going on the bike and how my weight loss is going and how I'm liking things along the way. So this is sort of my very first review here, just to let you know about the bike. And I'm so happy. And don't forget, if you're on the market for a bike, for a spin bike, and you know, I'm not telling you to go out and specifically purchase something if you're not on the market for it, but if you are on the market for something like this, and you want something more affordable than a Peloton, but those options and those features, wow. I am super impressed by this. Now remember, discount code BETH100 and you're gonna get $100 off of your bike. So that's gonna bring this bike down to $399, which I think is a fantastic deal. If you had a health club membership, you would probably pay at least that amount for a yearly membership, probably more. So thanks again, YESOUL, for sending me this spin bike. I'm super impressed, super happy, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you really soon. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. Stick to your goals and keep on pedaling. Bye-bye.